Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from behind me, we are where I usually go to film my Shop My Stash weekly makeup series things. This one's going to be a little bit different. We are going to be moving here soon, so I'm going to be packing up all my makeup. But first, I'm going to pull aside everything I'm going to be using until after we move and get reorganized. So that's what this is going to be, me picking out my makeup for the next 2 weeks or so until we're moved and settled. If you guys want to see me pack up the rest of my collection, leave a comments down below and just let me know, and I'll be sure to film that when I pack up the rest of it, or when I'm unpacking, if you guys want to see how I organize into my new Alex drawers that I'll be getting. Anyways, let's just jump right into the makeup I'll be using for the next couple weeks or so. So for foundations, I'm going to pull out this Beauty Blender foundation. I love this. Mine's in the shade 2.50. It's amazing. And I'm also going to pull out this by Becca, The Ultimate Coverage. Mine is in the shade, what does it say? Can't see. Driftwood. For concealer, I'm going to pull these two out. My two favorites, Tarte Shape Tape and the new Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. I love that Too Faced concealer. It's amazing. I think that's all I'm going to need from there. From in here, I'm going to pull out my Huda Beauty baking powder in Pound Cake. I love setting my under eyes with this. It's amazing. And then to buff the rest, I'm going to pull out my Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It is amazing. For highlighters, I've been really liking this one by Fenty Beauty, the Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. So I'm going to pull this out. And I'm also going to pull out this Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is stunning. The shades in here are beautiful. So I'm going to pull that out as well. Next up, I'm going to pull out, I'm just going to pull this one out. I'm going to use this one for the next couple weeks. I know that I love it. It is the Tarte Park Ave Princess. I love that. And for blushes, I'm going to pull out this new one by NYX in the shade Summer. It is beautiful. And I'm also going to pull out I don't know, this, the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula. And this one, just in case I want one that's not so peachy. This is the Tarte Fairy Thing line. It's more of like a cool toned pink. I don't know if it'll show up on my thumb there. I'm going to pull that one out. The rest of that can be packed away. I'm not going to pull anything from this one. I think all of that can be packed away. Palettes that I want to pull out to use. Yeah, I really want to play with this one again. I loved this when I got it from BoxyCharm, the Alamar Cosmetics palette. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to pull this one. And I don't know what else I want to pull out. I'm going to pull out this one because it's such a versatile palette, and most of my makeup will be packed away with moving. I'm just trying to open it for you guys. I'm sure you guys have all seen the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, but in case you haven't, there it is. There is a mix of all tones you'll ever need. Very beautiful. So I'm going to pull that one out. I think that's all the palettes I'm going to pull out from this. But if we go over here, here's my wine, because it's time for wine drinking. Sorry, I just took a drink. I'm also going to pull out this Norvina palette because it's stunning and I get some amazing looks with it. So that should be good. Setting sprays. I'm going to pull down my Smashbox Primer Water because I love it. And I'm also going to pull out my Urban Decay All Nighter. It's almost empty, and I have foundation on the bottom of it, so that's great. Might as well use that up though. For lashes, I'm going to pull out this little guy, the Hourglass Caution Mascara, and I'm also going to pull out my MAC False Lashes mascara. I'm going to pull out both of these eyeliners by Kat Von D, Mad Max Brown and Trooper Black. For brow pencils, I'm going to pull out, you know what, I haven't used this in a while. This is my MAC eyeliner pencil. So I'm going to pull that out, and I'm also going to pull out my Kat Von D Brow Struck powder in the shade Walnut. I don't think I need any of those. Those can go packed away. For this, I'm going to pull out this Urban Decay in Psychedelic Sister and this Urban Decay in Chaos. And I'm going to pull out this by The Balm, Mr. Right Now, in Brian B. Beige. And I'm also going to pull out my Marc Jacobs in just black. All right, as for a primer, I don't want any of those. I'm going to keep this out, my water cream by Tatcha. This stuff is amazing. I put it on before bed. I love it. It smells amazing. And the primer that I'm going to keep out, of course, is my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I love this stuff. If you have not tried this primer, you have to try it. It is beautiful. For lip products, I'm going to pull out this lipstick by The Balm in I'm a Good Kisser. And if we go under here, ooh, it's scary. These are all my samples. I need to go through all this shit. There's so much crap in here. Oh my God. Anyways, let's not look at that right now. Let's see. I'm going to pull out this Huda Beauty Trophy Wife I'm also going to pull out both of these by Kat Von D. They're in the shades Sanctuary and Ludwig. I don't know if it'll focus. And I'm also going to pull out this Punch Pop by Benefit in the shade Sugar Cookie. So I think that's all I need in there right now. Oh my god, I really need to do something with all this stuff. So I'm just going to assemble this stuff into my box and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just assembled it all into my box. I'm using a Sephora box that I got with some points. That's what I'm going to be using until I move. The rest of my makeup is going to be going into this box and maybe another box similar to that one if I can't fit it all in that one. Yes, anyways, like I said, let me know if you guys want to see me pack up my entire collection, or if you want to just see me unpack and organize my entire collection into the new place. If you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the little bell and phone can ding when I upload. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful night.